Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. Sorry about my voice. I'm sick, but I needed to do this video because my projects need to go out today, and so I want to share them, before I send them out. So let me just start really quick. So a lot of these projects are using the newer KSCraft dies. So this is my first project. And this is using the KSCraft mini album, the baking sheet. And here I used 2 rings, and on the rings I just filled it with some trim using pinks, white, red, and a hint of blue. I think that turned out nice. And in the front here I hung these charms. This is the KSCraft Cute Gingy and their peppermint bow. I used I believe it's a peachy keen stamp. I don't know, I thought the bow was kind of big, but I think it still looks cute. Here I used the word sweet that comes with the set, and I used glossy accents to make it look like fudge frosting. And here I used the rolling pin. I embossed the rolling pin with like a wood grain embossing folder. And then I put 2 satin bows here. And I also put glossy accents on the chocolate chips. And then here I used diamond dust and a snow pen to look like there's frosting on the spoon. And so the first page here, I have these really cute die cuts. I really love how they turned out. These are just from my stash. I don't remember where they're from. And these here are KSCraft shadow words. I used some brown foam and white shimmer paper. On this page here, just some more cut aparts. This is the new Scrap Diva design. And these are KSCraft dies. And these giant gingies are from my creative time. Love how they turned out. So cute. On this page here, this is Scrap Diva design, and these 2 are KSCraft dies. And on the last page is my shaker. Really like how that turned out. I used the KSCraft baking garland in the back. I used some stickles. You see how glittery it is? And this shaker mug is, again, KSCraft. So that's cute. It's like my die cut folder. The next thing I made was this here. This super cute bag. Again, this is a KSCraft bag. This gingy is an add-on, and this garland is a KSCraft garland. And this bow is the gingerbread bow by KSCraft, but I just didn't use the layers. It's like this here, but I didn't use all the layers, but I did double the bow. So I think she turned out really cute. And in here is my memory decks card, and it's a shaker, again using that peppermint bowl by KSCraft, and that same garland. I just have to put my info on the back. She's so cute. So that's that one. Next, this is a hot cocoa pouch by KSCraft. This is a pink iridescent acetate film I got from Michael's. The collection I'm using is Paige Evans. I don't recall the name. I think it's Sugar Plum, maybe Sugar Plum Wishes, I think. There's a mix. I'm using that one, and I'm also using the Sprinkle Shop by Recollections, the one from Michael's. So there's just a little bit of that also in this, you know, in this project, but majority of it is the Paige Evans. And here are just the foam stickers and die cuts from the collection. And here's just a clip, a heart paper clip, and I have a dangle on the clip. And then in here I have 4 altered paper clips with some shred. So if you saw this on my Instagram, I had made these a while ago. I got this idea from Melisa, who is Sinfully Paper. She has a tutorial, and since I had the dies, I went ahead and created some, and I think they turned out so cute. And the stamped faces, these are Peachy Keen. But yeah, these are really cute. I love these. I'm gonna have to remake them because they are so cute. Let's see here. So then it just closes like so, so it's easy. Just like that. My next project is this here. Again, this is the KSCraft cup holder. And what's good about this is you can make it as big or as small as you need it to be on the bottom. You know, if the cup is bigger, it'll work, just not taller. It could be like a wider cup because you can just fit it. But here, very simple. Just use the word jolly on a flag. That's a Stamp Market flag. Some what are these, snowflake cutouts from Hobby Lobby, and the enamel dots are from the same Paige Evans collection. And then in here, I call this the cozy gift because in here I have this really cute pair of gingerbread house socks, very soft and fuzzy. I love that. And then this is a Trader Joe's, I won't take it out, but it's a hot chocolate stir spoon. So it's perfect like for a nice cozy day. You know, she can have her socks on, make herself a cup of hot chocolate in her nice cute gingerbread cup. And I got this cup from Marshall's. It was a while ago. This was before Black Friday. They had this cup. So I've been shopping for gingerbread and Christmas stuff for a while. I have so much stuff. I frequent Marshall's a lot, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Target, Five Below, Daiso. It's all around my house, so it's not a big deal to go there. Like, I go there like a couple times a week. But there. So that's a really cute, cozy gift. And this here, this is the new KSCraft candy cart, and I really love how this turned out. You see how it has a like a stand here? So I put this cute gingerbread cabochon with a cake, like a cupcake, and then on this side, a Starbucks drink cabochon there. On the top here, I used their new shadow words, and this one says rosettes. And I really like how this turned out. The wheels are thick. I used foam. It stands up. And so in here, I have rosettes. So I was telling Hannah that after making this, I saw her process. So I made mine a little different from hers. So when I'm better, or maybe today, I'll make a process video. But here, I made some solid colors out of shimmer paper from Michaels. Because it's always nice to have solid colors so you can build it to match, you know, whatever collection, I guess. So I have some big ones there. And then, so this one is the My Creative Time gingerbread rosette, where it has this one little gingy around the border. And this one here is the KSCraft gingerbread rosette, where it has 2 gingerbreads. And I used the Paige Evans collection for these 2. Kind of used the ones that had, like, you know, colors that would probably go with a lot of collections. So I made 6 that fit perfect in here. So I love that. So I have that, and then here's a beaded pen. Again, I use the beaded pen kits, so it's whatever comes in the kit is what I work with. So this one had a cute gingy on a gold pen with a red and beige silicone bead and a green tassel. On the top here, I just did an altered paper clip, so it's easy to come off. Again, this is from the Paige Evans collection. And then this is so cute. So this is the one everybody's been hauling from Dollar General. Sorry, let me take a drink of water. I have water and Ricola. So I just altered him, or now I made it a her, by putting a flower here with some heart leaves. And then in here, so this is gingerbread measuring spoons. And what I did was I just tied it with some red and white yarn onto the spatula, the cookie spatula there. And then I won't take it out because it was hard to get everything to fit in here, but I have this cute altered paper clip with a gingerbread, but I have a, it's 2 dishcloths, and then here is the gingerbread cookie mix, and then a pink and white candy cane. So this spatula has candy canes on it, and with the candy cane cookie cutters. And this dish towel is gingerbread themed as well. It was just hard to get everything to sit nicely, so I just wanted to keep it. So this stays together. Pretty heavy, but I think that's a really nice set. And I think that's it for what I've made. I have this I'm including to gift, which is a hot and cold eye mask and eye pads. What girl couldn't use this, you know? I know I could use it right now being cold, like if this was in the freezer, put those on my eyes. But this was from Marshall's. I thought it was really pretty. We have a lot of these in the freezer. My daughter and I use them all the time. We have so many because my daughter will not put them back in the freezer. They're all in her room. So, but yeah, so that's my project share. Thank you all for stopping by. Again, sorry my voice is like this, but I wanted to share what I created. I worked so hard on it, you know, before I send it out. But I hope you all have a fabulous day. Stay well. Happy holidays, everyone. And I will see you soon. Bye.